Now for this question, we're told that the box plot below shows the distribution of the times that people waited to be served at Green's Garden Center. Now we're told to compare the distribution of the times that people waited at Rose's Garden Center and the distribution of the times that people waited at Green's Garden Center. This is basically comparing this box plot with this box plot. Okay? Now, how do you compare? With the main things we consider in box plots, that's the minimum value, the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile, then the maximum value. We just compare those points for these two. Now, this one, the minimum value is 6 seconds, while the minimum value here is 5 seconds. So, the minimum value in Rose's Garden Center was less than, or the minimum time for Rose's Garden Center was less than the minimum time for Green's Garden Center. You can write that. Was less than in Green's Garden Center. Now again, you can just talk about the interquartile range. Interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile. Our upper quartile was 30 and our lower quartile was 14. So you can just say interquartile range for Rose's Garden was 16 seconds, while the interquartile range, you can just write IQ for Green's Garden, was, in Green's Garden, the upper quartile was about 35 and the lower quartile was 12. So you have 35 minus 12, 23 seconds. Okay, now you can just keep comparing. You can compare the lower quartile. Anyway, the interquartile range is taking care of lower quartile and upper quartile. You can also talk about the maximum value, that the maximum time that one of the people was able to wait was 55 seconds in Green's Garden, but the maximum time in Rose's Garden was about 44 seconds. Okay, so you just keep comparing that way.